Welcome everybody to the primary schools interprovincial final at Merensky. We look forward to the day today. We've got all the top schools and all the top riders from across South Africa here.
I want to greet everybody and say welcome here in Limpopo. Baie welkom hier by Skole Nationals. We are so honoured. It's such a privilege to host this here at Merensky High School.
It's going to be a fantastic 2 days of racing. Of course, today is the schools. Tomorrow, all the provinces. Top 3 riders that are representing each province against one another.
En baie dankie dat julle almal gekom het and have a great racing day.
And the atmosphere is alive. It is electric. It's an absolute vibe.
The kids were looking forward to this day. I think the past 2 weeks was training each and every day.
Been an amazing year, building them up, getting them to this point.
Ek hou van fietsry want ek ontmoet baie nuwe vriende. Dis net lekker om rond te reis met jou vriende en dit te geniet en kompetisie te hê. Today at the Nationals it was very hot but also very nice. Trails are awesome.
Fietsry is lekker want jy kan dit doen met jou maats en jy kan oefen met jou maats.
And away they go down to 14 boys that are left in sport here. Is the voorman of Flara Brand.
Dit stuk van die baan is die groot hobbel wat daar onder is vir my. Jy kan hom lekker hoog spring as jy wil.
Today here at Nationals, the jumps are fun, the track is exciting.
Nog een by die Nationals, dit was lekker. Die baan is punchy. Hierso die baan, alles is fantasties hierso en al het ek geval, dit was ook 'n lekker val.
Good evening, everybody. A very warm welcome from Limpopo and Merensky High School. Welcome here at this official prize-giving and gala evening.
A celebration of passion, perseverance, and also performance.
Ons glo dat skoolfietsry nog vir lank sal voortleef. En hierdie was net 'n droom wat waar geword het om skoolfietsry ook vir laerskole te hê. So well done from my side and from school cycling side. That you all came along and we definitely had a fantastic day. Thank you.
Dis nie net die wenners wat vanaand hier bo staan wat champions is nie. Een en elkeen wat deelgeneem het vandag. You are all champions.
The top school for 2025 at Primary School Nationals, Constantia Park.
Good morning everybody, we hope you enjoy the day with us. We are at Merensky High School for the interprovincial finals and we look forward to the day where the top provinces throughout South Africa is competing to be crowned provincial champion.
I would like to wish all the provinces a very strong and hearty day after yesterday's heat. Ek hoop julle gaan dit vandag baie geniet. Sterkte aan almal en gaan groot vandag aan die provinsieklere.
Goeiemôre, dit is 'n voorreg om by Hoërskool Merensky te wees. Laerskool Constantia Park was gisterand by 'n ongelooflike gala aand gewees en ons is die nommer 1 skool in die land. Baie dankie aan die Gauteng span en baie dankie aan elke ryer, elke ouer wat hier is om hierdie groot national geleentheid saam met ons te deel.
Harry Smit skole vir Vrystaat skole het ons die seuns en die dogters mixspanne gewen. En ja, die kinders maak ons trots en ons hoop hulle geniet dit en ons hoop hulle hou aan om dit te geniet.
So excited to be here in Tanin for the Nationals, for the primary schools, ending 2025 off on a high.
Ons is graag betrokke by die skole mountainbikes. Dit is vir ons belangrik om te sien dat die kinders van kleintyd af op fietsen is.
Ecologic Pro Sport wishes all the riders, all these lovely children and their parents, all the best of luck.
What an epic year it's been for school cycling. It's been great to see the guys cycling, and it's been a proud moment for Sox Footwear to support all the athletes.
It's awesome to be able to see them race at this level, and the community, the school that's come together, the friends that have come together, it's been really special.
Hier is dit nou nie meer skole teen skole nie, so ons is nou almal deel van een groot provinsie.
Dit is lekker om te sien hoe al die provinsies te mekaar kan kompeteer as een land saam.
My heart rate is beyond me, I can barely breathe, lost my voice.
I mean, the parents bring it, the organizers bring it, the sponsors bring it, so yeah, it was a fantastic day.
We've come to the end of the 2025 Interprovincial Finals here at Merensky Landbou School. We are extremely proud of all the provinces that took part, all the schools and the best riders that made this final an unbelievable day.
Schools yesterday, fantastic gala evening. And the provinces again showed today, the podiums were all different. And great racing right up to the end. Ek wil net sê baie dankie aan almal. It takes a team to put this all together. Baie dankie. Ek's baie lief vir julle.
Thank you for the weekend's racing here at Merensky. We look forward to seeing you next year. Baie dankie almal. Ons sien julle beslis weer volgende jaar.
AMP Broadcast and content creators.